And I'm back. Okay, so we had a couple of arborists in here last week, and what they did was they took out a dangerous tree. It was over here, and I'll show you pictures of that, and it was leaning over this shed. And there was another one leaning over the house. Okay, so how they did it was they went to a good tree next to it, and they limbed it, and there was an arborist went right to the top and put a pulley up there. And then they put rope braces back to some other big trees in the background, okay? So that this became like a standing pole that they slung a rope over the tree they were going to take down. And then what they did was they sawed down the stump of two trees here and then lowered them slowly. And I'll show you the stump, the size of it, because on the video that you're about to see here in a minute, the trees look really small. You know, it was filmed from quite a distance. So here's the stump from these two trees, okay? And the wood is quite large. And like I say, in the video, they look like tiny trees at a distance, but there's a lot of weight there. And now, had that fallen on the roof of this shed, for example, it would have flattened it. And that was the reason to get rid of that one. It's some type of a birch. It's I'm not quite sure. It's not a birch like you see with loose bark on it, but it's a type of birch tree. It's not a poplar, and yeah, and it's got good qualities for firewood. Once that's dry, it's going to be really good. Okay, so here's this tree, the one they're using for the anchor, and he went up there quite a ways. That's where they slung their pulley. And this tree here is nothing to slouch at, you know, a couple feet in diameter for sure. And what they did as well, that I didn't capture on film, they cut a tree down here, and I'll show you what that looked like right here before it came down. And you can see there's the butt of it. And you see how it's shallow rooted, and then you can see it how it leaned out towards the house. Okay, so they used this tree here, and they went up there and they put a pulley up there, and they used it rope over that pulley back to these trees that were leaning heavily over the bank here, and pulled them back down in here. And so you can see the size of these. We don't have a video of this one coming down, but it's the same as the other ones, and then we'll show you bucking it up. There's the stump. So anyway, let's move over to the footage of them actually lowering it down and sawing off the butt, and then laying the tree down in here.
off the ground.
What off the ground, sorry?
See that branch that's gonna dig into the ground?
Yeah.
Keep that off the ground there. Once I can reach it, I'm gonna run in there and cut it right off.
I can reach it from here.
Can Joe?
I can reach it from up here, over there. Hey, holding.
Down.
Okay, slowly lowering down. Okay.
Joe, you want me to get in there?
I got Holding.
Joe, watching for you?
Yeah, moving in. It's coming in.
You can stand back, Joe, like way out there. As long as it's through the fair lead, you guys are good. And that way, yep, you're not gonna panic and drop it and run.
Doing good.
Let her go, Jordan, run, run, run. Perfect. Same as last time.
Okay.
Take the winch handle off.
Yeah.
Make sure it's in the same place. And Joe, all we're gonna do is Jordan can take over.
Got it, got it.
Undo a couple racks. That's all you want. Nice and slow. Last thing you want to do is let it go and stop the system. Nice task right now.
Inward is working.
Yep. Remember, it's going to break off the stump eventually, and it's going to really drop down so you don't have any slack in there.
Yeah.
Just go nice and slow. I could cut it off the stump, but we'll just let it hinge down.
Okay. Watch that branch is loaded right at you. Come over this way.
Right, Joe.
Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, I see it there. Thank you.
You can take that out of there and switch it to the other fair lead. too,
Okay.
right?
Right on this side, because that won't have the run cost up here.
Yeah. Do that fair lead and walk way back.
That's full. That is full. That's full and that's full. That's good. And I've already sharpened it.
Oh.